Now, you click this video wondering, what is a good way to make fast money without leaving the comfort of your own home every day? Today I will show you guys a great way to earn $300 a week without leaving your house. What is up guys, it's the CEO of Practical Entertainers here. And today I will be showing you how to generate different streams of revenue from multiple online businesses, just from the comfort of your own home. Now, before we continue with this video, I'm going to need you guys to leave a like and click that subscribe button down below. Once you subscribe, comment down in the comments section below, "I subscribed." That will let me know that you have subscribed to the channel and you can be a part of one of our big giveaways. Thank you guys, and let's get on with the video. Okay guys, I know why you're here. Due to the pandemic, a lot of people are losing their jobs, getting laid off, and don't know the next time they will receive a paycheck. Therefore I will be showing you 5 different ways to generate income from the comfort of your own home. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Coming in at number 5 we have Macario. Macario itself is a completely legitimate and reliable e-commerce marketplace. Both sellers and buyers are real people, and they aren't retailers, which means that there is no guarantee that the people buying and selling on it are legitimate. So you need to be assured about the seller as well as a buyer when dealing. Here's how it works. Just snap a photo of the item, add a description, and enter the price to list. Once your item is purchased, Macario will send you a prepaid and addressed shipping label, unless you select it to ship on your own. Tap the buy button to purchase, and it will notify you as soon as it ships. Alright guys, now you may be asking yourself, is this online business actually good? Is it a scam? Their average app store rating is 4.8 stars. This means there are many satisfied buyers and sellers that use the app, which is a testament to Macario's legitimacy. On Macario alone, I have made over $300 just this week at home. Just imagine if you apply all the other methods along with this one. And the good thing about this is that you don't need any money to start it off. All you need is a phone and an item you want to sell. The bottom line is, Macario is not a scam. It is far from a scam. And it's a great app to buy and sell just about anything. If you like to sell items on Macario, it is very likely that your items can be sold within the first 48 hours of listing. And that is insanely fast compared to any other online business. Coming at number 4 is the number 1 ranking social media platform in the world. And that is no other than YouTube. YouTube is free to use service and can be a great space for teens to discover things they like. For many young people, YouTube is used to watch music videos, comedy shows, how-to guides, recipes, hacks, and more. Now, YouTube is one of the best platforms to partner up with, especially while you're at home with nothing else to do. In order for you to generate income from YouTube, you will have to sign up for the YouTube Partnership Program. And once you sign up, the requirements needed in order for you to proceed in producing income and possibly making YouTube a full-time job. You will have to obtain a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours. For all the viewers who want to do YouTube and grow your channel to make money, there will be a separate video explaining all the tips and tricks of how to bypass the YouTube algorithm. Coming at number 3 is no other than affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. If you are interested in affiliate marketing, and if you want to start immediately, there are 8 good programs that can get you to a good start. Programs such as Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, Impact, Awin, Share Sale, FlexOffers, Sovereign Commerce, Skimlinks. With these programs, you can create a consistent income that slowly increases each time you make a sale. To me, that sounds like a great way to make money. Am I right? Or am I right? Coming at number 3 is print on demand. Now, Shopify's apps for print on demand are just getting more and more popular. Then there are people starting out who print on the front only, pay $9.50 for the shirt, and sell them for $19.99. Profit is profit, especially if you aren't shipping the items yourself. It's a good way to make a lot of profit. Plus, right now the shirts that are selling like crazy are Black Lives Matter shirts and stay-at-home shirts. You will make money from selling than what you already invested. Coming at number 2 we have dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. To start, you would have to select a niche. The niche you select needs to be laser focused and something you are genuinely interested in. Then you perform competition research. Then secure a supplier. Then you build your e-commerce website. Once you build your website, you create a customer acquisition plan. Then analyze and optimize. Overall, this business can be a full-time job and can generate a fortune off this business, just from sitting at home. See, there still is hope for 2020. Coming in at the last spot we have drop servicing. Now you may ask, what the hell is drop servicing? Drop servicing, which is also called service arbitrage, is a business model in which you find clients who need services, not knowing that buying or booking them from your website or through social media, phone call consultation, etc., that you'll be outsourcing said services to a third party. For instance, if you know how to edit videos, you can contact YouTubers and get paid just from editing their videos or even showcasing their merch. That's what I did, and I made over $100 just for editing a video. Insane, isn't it? Well, this concludes the video. I hope this was useful, and you guys can generate some constant income, or even make this a career. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. This is Jaden, the CEO of Practical Entertainers, and I'm out. Now featuring One Last Dance by Jew Gypsy. Let's go, boy.
Last dance with you. I don't wanna be the one to say it, but I'm trembling that I mentioned that dance.